This is Dave from BestLove.com, back with another novelty item. Up next is the 9-inch Volcano lamp and simulator. Stands 9 inches tall inside a hexagon enclosure. Some other features: removable top, watertight fill plug, color bead medium, smaller in size and more reflective than the 6-inch version, on and off switch, a 4.5 volt wall power input where the unit takes 3 AA batteries, complete with instructions. For more photos and information, please visit bestlove.com. This has been another product update for bestlove.com. Please click on the link below to subscribe. This is Dave from bestlove.com.